Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are good. Hope you guys are all doing very well. But yeah, as requested, I've been listening to you guys. You guys said I should give you an updated skincare routine. So that's what this video is. Before we get into this, I have 3 different skincare routines. I have my morning skincare routine and I have 2 different evening skincare routines. If you want to see my evening skincare routine, make sure you hit that notification bell so that you're notified when I upload that video too. I have to give a disclaimer, I'm not a dermatologist, I'm not an esthetician. I'm just a lady on the internet that shares things that I like and have tried over the years, okay? It's up to you to test out products to see what works for you to be able to get your routine. These are the products that work for me. As usual, every product that I share in this video will be in the description bar below, so make sure you click show more. It will be a list of everything and you'll be able to get your hand on these products that I share, okay? So if you're wondering, I have combination / oily skin. Yeah, your girl was a walking frying pan, and I class my skin as sensitive. I do this every single day. So step 1 in my routine is I wash my face with some soap. I use 2 different soaps. I alternate between these 2. I either use the black soap, which you guys have seen me use throughout the years, and I still have stuck to using this. This is the black soap by Dudu. Osun. So yes, this is definitely stripping and drying. However, my face is dry for what, 1-2 minutes? Not long, so for me that is not something that I find irritating. I find it okay to use and I use it every single day. If I'm not using this, then I'm using the Kojie-san soap. This one is definitely a bit more harsh. I wouldn't want to use this every day, more so every other day. I tend to reach out for this one more if I have blemishes or if my skin is not the best, but more so for an everyday one, I use this one. Yeah, this is step 1. I wash my face with some soap. So guys, this probably looks all funky because the soap is on it, but this is the brush that I use to wash my face. It's quite gentle on the skin. It's a silicone type of brush. Back in the day, I used to use like the Clarisonic brushes and the ones by Sigma. Although I didn't find any sensitivity or irritation from using those, I've just switched over to this because I guess this is a bit more gentle. Okay, so this is what I use to wash my face. So step 2 for me is I wash my face with a cleanser. So this is normally people's step 1. In all honesty, over the years, there's so many different cleansers that I use, but I've always come back running to my staple. I've been using this since I was like, I want to say 13 or 12. I was really young. It's the one by Clean and Clear. So this is their daily exfoliating wash, and they have different other variations. Back in the day I used to use the blackhead one, which is a bit more harsh, but this one as an everyday one is my staple one that I like to use. So again, I like to pour this on the brush and then I wash my face with this. So currently I either use this one by Clean and Clear or I use this one by Byoma, which looks like this, and this is the creamy gel cleanser. This one feels like jelly like. This one is my favorite in all honesty, but these 2 are gentle on the skin, so I alternate between these 2. So once that's done, I then dry my face with a flannel, pat it dry, and then the next step. So step 3, the next thing that I reach out for is a toner. I reach out for a toner and I pour that on my cotton pad and then swipe that all over my skin. Again, depending on what my skin is doing will determine which toner I use. There's so many brands which I have tried, which I like and which I reach out for. However, I have staples which I'm going to show you, okay? For everyday use, this one by ERBORIAN is a good one to use, and this is their Yuza double lotion, which looks like this. Gentle on the skin, everyday use, absolutely love. Another gentle toner which you can use every day is this one by Fresh, and it's the Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner, which you can see I've run out of. This is also a gentle one. So for a gentle everyday one, these are the 2 that I alternate between. Another one that I like to use is by Pixi. This is my big bottle, which is done, as you can see. This is called their Glow Tonic, and it's 5% glycolic acid, and it's called their exfoliating toner. I feel this is a good one that I like to use, especially when I have like spots and I want to get rid of them. I absolutely love this. But because I'm so used to using this, I use this every day and it's fine on my skin. Another one which I like to use, one that I wouldn't recommend for every day, was the one by Ren. Okay, this is their Ready Steady Glow, the Daily AHA Tonic. I'm sure most of you would have seen this, but I feel my skin needs more of a little boost. Then I'll either reach out for the one by Pixi or the one by Ren. So the next step after applying my toner is I reach out for my eye cream. The eye cream that I use is this one by ERBORIAN, and it's ERBORIAN's Yuza Sorbet Eye. Really love this. This is my favorite one. On days when I wear makeup, I tend not to, but yeah, this is the one that is my all-time favorite. So the next step in my skincare routine is face moisturizer. Again, depending on what my skin is doing will determine which one that I use. Currently, the two that I'm using is this one by the INKEY list, which is their bioactive repairing and plumping moisturizer, which looks like this, or I use this one, which is by Chapman Icon Day Cream, which looks like this. So these are the two that I alternate between during the day as my day cream that I use. Okay, this one's definitely a bit more pricier, so if you want one that's more affordable, then I would recommend this one. These two are not super greasy. As someone that has oily skin, I don't want my skin to look like a frying pan. I want there to be moisture, but not easy, because as the day goes by, the moisture's just gonna come out anyways if I'm not wearing makeup and a primer, if you get what I mean. So the final step, what I do with my skincare is I apply some SPF. I'll be completely honest, during November, December, January, February, March, I'm not as consistent, but during the hotter months, I reach out for my SPF and apply that all over my skin, alright? The one that I'm currently using is by Garnier, and it's a Garnier Hydra 24 Protect, and this is only SPF 30. This one is nice on my dark chocolate skin. It can be a nightmare finding good SPFs that are not going to make you look white or blue. So if you're on the hunt for one, I did a video last year, which of course got lost in the algorithm. But if you click here, literally I recommended about 6 different types of SPFs, and I tried them on my skin so that you guys can see what it looks like, and I also included my description of how it felt, you know, the tackiness, the everything, you know, in depth. Make sure you go check that out if you're not sure what kind of SPF that suits you or is best for you. So yeah, that's what I do. So these are things that I do every single day without fail. There's no such thing as I can't be bothered. It's part of me, part and parcel of me. It's something that I always do. So these are all the products that I use. This is not something that happens every day. If my skin's doing its thing and I have a breakout, I do reach out for pimple patches, apply it. So I'll use my toner and then apply the pimple patch, okay? So the pimple patches that I've used throughout the years, which I'm liking, is this one by Pixi, and it's Pixi's Clarity Blemish Stickers, which looks like this. I showed you guys this back in, I want to say 2022 or 2023. I remember I did a video about this. Another one that I like is this one by Garnier, the 8-hour blemish patch. That's another good one that I like. And this one from TikTok shop, this is the pure patch, which looks like this, and it's called the Hydrocolid Spot Patch. Okay, so I alternate between these three, but that's what I would use in the morning if I had a breakout, right? So yeah, those are all the products that I use in my morning skincare routine. I hope this video was helpful. As I said already, these are the things that I do. Some of these things may work for you, some of these things may not work for you. If you've used any of these products, I'd like to know your feedback. Are there any of them that you like? Are there any of them that you hate? Are there any of them that you swear by? Let me know. I'd love to know your skincare routines. Let me know what products or skincare products that you're using at the moment that you love. I just love skincare so much. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I shall speak to you in my next video. Bye.